Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to make protocol bicolor therapy by using the Ayurvedic acupressure. So for this we'll go step by step. So first step, we need to know how many elements are there. So in Ayurvedic acupressure, for the treatment we use the 10 element. 5 are physical and 5 are metaphysical. So and these elements are plotted on the fingers. Okay, and these elements and their numbering is from 0 to 9. So I'll go one by one. So on the right hand there are 5 elements, and on the left hand there are 5 elements. So on the small finger, the element 1, that is the Akash. On ring finger there is element 5, that is Prithvi. On the middle finger there is element Man, number is 8. On index finger element is Jal, that is the number 4. And on the right thumb element 0, that is the thumb. Now on the left hand, on the small finger there is element 2, that is Vayu. On ring finger that is element 6, that is Kal. On middle finger that is element 7, Disha. On index finger element number 3 called Agni. And on the left thumb element number 9, which is the Atma. Okay, so I will just repeat the element and its number. 0 is Tam, 1 is Akash, 2 is Vayu, 3 is Agni, 4 is water, 5 is Prithvi, 6 is Kal, 7 is Disha, 8 is Man, and 9 is Atma. Okay, so first these are the 10 elements, and I told you plotting of these elements on the fingers. 0 is on right thumb, 1 is on right small finger, 2 is on left small finger, 3 on right index finger, 4 on right, 3 on left index finger, 4 on right index finger, 5 on right ring finger, 6 on left ring finger, 7 on left middle finger, 8 on right middle finger, 9 left thumb, and 0 right thumb. Okay, so these are the 10 elements. So first step was knowing the elements, second is plotting on their finger, and third thing will be we need to know the color of these elements. Okay, so when we use the color therapy, for the tonification we use the color of element for the tonification, and for the sedation we use the color of the bigger element. For an example, color of Akash itself, Akash element color is violet. So when you need to tone the Akash, or on the finger number, when we need to tone the Akash, we will use itself color is the violet. But when we need to sedate the Akash, we will use the color of its bigger element. So Akash is one element, its bigger element is 2, Vayu. So Vayu color is indigo. So to sedate the Akash, we will use the color of Vayu, that is the indigo. Okay. So now I am just going to read the color for itself, the color of its own element. Tam color is black. Element number 1, that is Akash, its color is violet. Element 2, that is Vayu, its color is indigo. Element 3, Agni, its color is blue. Element 4, its color is green. Element 5, Prithvi, its color is yellow. Element 6, Kal, its color is orange. Element 7, Disha, its color red. Element 8, Man, its color pink. And element 9, Atma, its color is grey. And for sedation, we will use the color of its bigger element. Okay, so I'll just explain once. Like 0, like 1 itself color is indigo. Okay, so inner cycle is itself color, which is used for tonification. And now number 2, okay, that is the indigo. So we will use this color for the sedation of color number 1. For the sedation of 2, we will use the color of 3, that is the light blue. For the sedation of 3, we will use the color of 4, that is the green, and the so on. For sedation 4, we will use the color of its bigger number element, that is the 5, and its color is yellow. Okay, so hope this is little clear to you. and these are the element chart. Okay, on the camera it is showing the letters are opposite, so you just see if you can read it. Okay, and these are its plotting on the finger. So you can see 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, and its respective color, and 9. Okay, so that is clear. So now third step, we need to choose the correspondent site. So for correspondent site, we use the insect correspondence system. So that is, we use finger. Like in one finger, complete body systems are there in one finger. It's a complete body, one. All fingers are complete bodies. So we have 10 bodies because we have 10 fingers. So if you can see this, there is the upper phalange, and the finger there are 3 phalanges: upper, middle, and lower. So this is the upper phalange, this is the middle, and the lower. So upper phalange, it covers the area from head to neck. Okay, and the middle phalange, the organs or area covered from neck to your diaphragm area. Okay, and in the third, from diaphragm to your navel area, below the navel area, the complete lower abdomen. Okay, so in first phalanges, the part which is cover all your organs which are in this area: eyes, nose, lips, teeth, ears, your throat, neck, all this. Second phalanges, lungs and heart, and also this is the region for the breast also. Third will be your liver, stomach, spleen, pancreas, a large intestine, small intestine, the ending of the large intestine into the rectum, and here also the uterus will be there. Okay, so this is the front part. Okay, so we will keep her hand like this, and we will plot these organs. Like in our body, liver is on right side, so in this finger also liver will come on the right side. In our body, stomach is on left side, so in this also finger, because this is a complete body, so this stomach will come on the left side. So every finger, if you are keeping finger like this is the left hand. So this is a complete body. This side is right, this side is left. So here liver will come this side, stomach will come this side. Same, the right lung, left lung, in between the heart. Okay, so hope it is clear. Now on the back side, front is this body. If for the back we'll turn, we need to turn our finger. So finger, this is the upper head. So in first phalanges, it's up from head to neck area, and this is from second phalange. It will come the upper middle back, upper and middle back, and in the lower phalange it will come the lower back and the 2 kidneys, and below this will come the sacral, the end part of the spine. Okay, and third thing what we need to know, if you'll see in the front, you need to keep your hand and leg like this. So when you see from the side, then leg and hand will come here, like here on these joint. So this I will explain later whenever it is required, that on which joint correspond to which body organ. So hope it is understood. Now fourth thing which we need to know are the very basic common attributes of these elements. There is detail, there is a long list and detailing, the very depth knowledge is there to understand these attributes, but I am just telling the basic to understand the basic treatment. Like if when we need to consider the element Akash, when there is anything related to softness or smoothness comes. Okay, Vayu, it is responsible for any movement. Okay, movement of anything in your body, like food is going from mouth to anus, all your organ. So Vayu is responsible. Your heart is beating, it's functioning. For any functioning, Vayu is important. Agni, as we see, fire is responsible for heat. Jal, water required for the binding of anything. Prithvi, earth, that is if there is any hardness. Okay, if there is any hardness is there, we'll consider Prithvi. Kal. Kal is timing, but here the Kal we use like for the brain, okay? Because anything we get to understand or get the sensation by the brain or the spinal cord. So time is responsible for time represents the spinal cord in our body. Disha, direction of any element, if it is correct or not. Like if Vayu should be go like this, if we'll change the direction, uh, we may feel the vomiting sensation. So that time we need to correct the direction of Disha, direction of Vayu by correcting the Disha element. And Man, so as it is said, मन के हारे हार है, मन के जीते जीत. तो थ्रेशोल्ड बियर करने के लिए फॉर एनी पेन, इफ वी नीड टू इंक्रीज आर थ्रेशोल्ड, और if we want to subtle, if we want to make ourselves calm, subtle while bearing pain or while having any disease, then we need to treat Man. And Atma and Tam, they are controller of all element. Atma is control of all element, and we treat Atma and Tam. We'll discuss when we treat this. Okay, so these are the basic thing. And one more thing is there which we need to understand, which is little extended, but I'll just tell you few points which is required. Like we need to know which organ is related to which element. Okay, so like Akash is related to lungs and large intestine, Vayu is related to heart and small intestine, Agni is related to liver and gallbladder, Jal is related to kidney and urinary bladder, Prithvi is related to stomach and spleen, Tam is related to all reproductive organs, and Kal, Disha, Man, Atma, these are related to brain, part of the brains and spinal cord. So these are the just a very basic knowledge which we got today about before proceeding for the making protocol for the treatment. Okay, so in this video we are done for the basics. In the next video I'll discuss, we'll take some few example and we'll learn how to make the protocol. Thank you so much.